Okay, this is Karacho at Tripsdrill. Oh, fast operations. I like that. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. It also starts with a dark ride section, apparently.
When we were standing in the line, we can hear the launch.
Yeah, you can hear the launch. And we're doing horizon lock on this. Oh my god, this looks... Woo! Okay, so we went down a little hill. Okay, we're gonna launch. Wow, that's nice. Woo! Oh my god. I like that. Oh, that is not my favorite coaster in the world, but it's a great coaster.
The beginning was great.
Oh, the beginning is great. So good. It's so dark. I love the picture of myself here. I'm just like, wow. Oh, that was so much fun. Okay, guys, so that was an on-ride of Karacho, sorry, here on Tripsdrill, the second coaster of today. Oh.